Today I'm trying to convert an induction motor to a generator. I found many videos on YouTube that showing how to do that just by adding some magnets to the rotor. So does it really work? Here I have this 40-watt motor. First I open it up and remove the rotor. Then I designed a 3D model and print it by using my 3D printer. Glue up 4 magnets, then put it back inside the stator. So now it's time to test the output voltage and output current. I'm using my drill to spin in the shaft. As you can see here, the maximum output voltage is something around 11 volt. But the maximum output current is 12 milliamp only. So the maximum output power is only 135 milliwatts, which is useless. I did the same thing for a few other motors, but the output power was even worse. So I don't know how they can run in some heavy load by using that generator. By the way, it's so easy to make in fake videos. For example, I can pretend that my generator is so powerful and it can run in a 220 volt light bulb easily. But in fact, there are 2 hidden wires under the paper that run in the light bulb from another source. The interesting thing here that this motor still working even after modification. However, the power consumption now is much higher than before. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.